Now, 4th May 1990. Till now, we have discussed about the instability which is happening because of our Sun Yat-sen, who could not control the warlords. The warlords have taken over the entire control, which means that the military has taken over the entire control over the people, which led for the further consequences and which led for the further issues here. Now, coming on 4th May 1919, do you remember the date 1919? We have discussed it earlier also. The 1919 date is very crucial because we have to remember that during the year 1919, after the First World War came to end, the Treaty of Versailles was signed, and China was on the side of the victorious nations, and Japan was on the side of the victorious nations. So once when it was signed on 4th May, the people in China came together as a rally or as a protest against the rule or the existing system, especially on the Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles was not at all on the perfect aspects of peace treaty. It is the treaty which has done or cut the feathers of Germany, and at the same time the China people have not get any benefits from this. The territories which are occupied by Japan of China's region were not handed over to China back. Rather, it was given to administer to the Chinese people only. To the Japanese people only. In this way, it has brought many issues which are not at all positive trends towards the people of China. So the people of China are very much upset and angry with the situation. So they demanded that it would be better if we have a change of the system, and we should need a better leader who can bring a perfect system of development in China to save China from the turmoil. We have to save China. If we don't save China, further it will be in the problems. Like Russia, it would face further critical issues. So the people of China had a vision that we should have the incorporation, we should have the principles incorporated into China is the modern science. The modern science, the democracy and nationalism. The modern science in the sense here is the modern technology which is used in the other nations, like getting the industrial machinery, and for everything it can be done by machines rather than doing by hands or by man. So if you do it by machinery, the work output will be doubled and tripled, which could lead further for the supply of export items. Then we can develop, we can get the foreign exchange, we can expand our business, and also we can get many modern medicines, modern technology of treatment. These all things were the intention of the people in asking for science or the modern science. In democracy, they don't want the concept of absolute monarchy or the militarian rule of warlords. They want a clear picture where people's interests are addressed by the leaders. The intention is that the people are to be the central focus of point when any decision is taken by the rulers at any point of time. In democracy, that is possible only and only in democracy, because other than democracy we don't have any method which is happening for the modern period which could be a better alternative of getting of absolute monarchy or the further situations. Now next, coming to the spring of nationalism, as we don't have a perfect system of ruling, we don't have the perfect binding feature between all of us. Because there is no perfect binding of all of us, this led to the further issues and complications of the people. So we need a perfect nationalism, perfect national spirit. When the national spirit arises only, we can fight for our nation. So the people intended to have perfect national spirit. Actually, what happened on 4th May 1919 was that people of students, especially of nearly 13 to 19 universities, came together at Beijing or Peking and gathered there to demonstrate their unsatisfaction against the Treaty of Versailles, the way it was treated, the way China was subsided, the way the lands of China were handed over to Japan, and the injustice done for the China people did not add any benefit for us, and the warlords taking over the charge. These all were the issues which made the students to get anger against the China's administration. So they came against them to have a say about it. And the changes what they need is, they want their language to be very simple and easy. They want to change the language concept. Instead of using a complex language, better use a simple language which is understandable to all the people. Everybody can understand the language and can write it very easily. a simple and straight language would be a better means of communication rather than a complex and complicated language where nobody can understand it properly. This is the intention done by the people on the issue of language. Further, there was a crucial condition that foot binding. The women are not allowed to have their foot grown completely. The foots of women are forcefully binded by the cloth that the foot won't get merged properly. It's like, imagine that this is the foot of a woman. The foot of the woman, when she was small itself, by the time she is getting age, they start to bind it with a cloth and forcefully, very tightly, that the further development